Live here at LAX, as you mentioned, at Terminal 7, taking a look at TSA and the checkpoints, and we can tell you Thanksgiving week, it is already busy as a lot of folks are probably headed over to their families to see them for the holidays. But with this busy travel season, federal employees are required to be vaccinated as of today, including TSA agents, with concerns there could be a backup at these checkpoints. But we're told most TSA workers are complying with the mandate. We're also getting new numbers. We caught up with some travelers about this issue.
I think it's fine, whatever to keep everybody safe.
I think people should have a choice, but we are in a pandemic, so I guess we're working with the public. You have to do what you have to do.
If you don't want to get vaccinated, protect yourself and everybody else by wearing masks and shields and stuff.
Well, there are concerns that were sparked after reports this past Friday that 40% of TSA staff were not vaccinated, which is much higher when you're looking at other sectors of the federal government. A TSA representative just updated us with new numbers saying about 93% of TSA agents are vaccinated, and they're meeting today's federal deadline for the vaccine mandate unless they have exemptions, which would let them do otherwise with these requirements. They do believe holiday travel will not be impacted, but will be safer and healthier, according to the federal government. More than 90% of federal workers in general have received at least one dose of the COVID vaccine by today's deadline. And the White House says they had a surge of employees getting vaccinated, or saying at least that they would meet the deadline as it was looming. The mandate requires federal employees to be vaccinated or get a medical or religious exemption, and there are no weekly testing options. Well, take a look. These numbers are good news. A lot of busyness at the different airports, including LAX, as folks are headed out for the holidays. TSA estimates 20 million people would be screened during the Thanksgiving holiday week, with 10% of those traveling coming through our airport here in Southern California. Of course, we spoke to some people who are flying today about the vaccine mandate. They also say they don't believe, or they have the opinion that they don't think TSA workers should be fully vaccinated because it's their right. So of course, there's a give and take and difference of opinions here. Now back out here live, just a reminder, as you see people checking in right now, we are still in a pandemic. You do have to wear a mask. That is part of the game here, if you want to say that. And also, TSA agents say, in addition to all of this, of course, arrive here early because already it is starting to get very, very busy. Reporting live here at LAX, Gene Kang, KTLA 5 News. Back to you.